Hello, everyone. Are you wondering which doctor to see for tooth sensitivity? Let's explore. Tooth sensitivity can be caused by a variety of issues, including tooth decay, gum recession, or underlying dental conditions. It can feel like pain, discomfort, or sensitivity when eating or drinking. For tooth sensitivity, you should see a dentist. A dentist specializes in treating oral health problems. They can examine your teeth, take x-rays, and provide a proper diagnosis. Dentists can treat a wide range of oral health problems, from tooth decay to gum disease. If you have tooth sensitivity, it's best if you visit your dentist. Your dentist would be able to examine your tooth sensitivity and provide a proper treatment. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.